Hello, today we will guide you through how to force quit Thinkorswim. If the Thinkorswim platform becomes unresponsive or freezes, a force quit safely closes it so you can start fresh. Keep in mind that force quitting immediately shuts the app down, so any unsaved work in the current session may be lost. Begin with the Thinkorswim app on your screen. If it's frozen, don't keep clicking the same button. This can make the system lag even more. Instead, move your mouse to the Windows taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Right-click an empty area of the taskbar to open a context menu. From that menu, select Task Manager. This opens the tool you'll use to stop the program. When Task Manager appears, make sure you're looking at the Processes view. If you see a compact window with just a short list, expand it by selecting More Details at the bottom. That reveals the full set of tabs, including Processes. This tab shows everything currently running on your system, grouped by apps and background processes. Now look through the list for Thinkorswim. It often appears under the Apps section when the main window is open. If the app window has closed but it's still stuck in the background, you might find it further down under Background Processes. Sorting by name can help, and you can also glance at the CPU or memory columns to spot tasks that may be hanging. Once you've located Thinkorswim in the list, right-click the entry. This opens a small menu with actions you can take on that process. Choose End Task. Windows will immediately terminate the program, and the Thinkorswim window should disappear from your screen. In Task Manager, the entry will vanish once it is fully closed. If you notice multiple Thinkorswim entries, sometimes large apps spawn helper processes, repeat the same action on any remaining entries to ensure it's completely shut down. Give it a few seconds for the system to clear resources. Force quitting can free up memory and CPU usage that were tied up by the frozen app. When everything looks stable again, you can return to your normal workflow and, when ready, open Thinkorswim fresh so it can start cleanly. That's it. You've successfully forced Thinkorswim to quit using Task Manager. This is a reliable way to recover from a freeze without restarting your whole computer. If the issue happens frequently, consider checking for app updates, reviewing your system resources, or restarting your machine at a convenient time to maintain smooth performance.